This is Let Us Eat. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. This is my kids' lunch ideas, Monday through Friday, daily lunch ideas. Easy to do, stuff you just grab from your fridge or your pantry to throw together for your child's lunch. But first, smash on that subscribe board, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share me to social media. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Hi everyone, here's my kids' lunches today, a little similar from yesterday. They really enjoy these Uncrustables. My husband still wants to buy them even with the price raise, but I think we're going to stop for a while to see if they lower them. We got the bottled water for my teen, a Capri, a Handy Snacks, little Nature Valley Minis, an Uncrustable, and Oreos. The Handy Snacks have been really hard to find, especially the store brand kind. Same with Jacqueline, the little Nature Valley Minis, Oreos, depending on which ones they want. Sometimes they give cookies to their friends. An Uncrustable, a Handy Snacks. This is the little cheese dips, like when we were kids. Apple rollers for a snack, taste just like Apple Jacks. Then for drinks, a bottled water and chocolate milk. It is cold season, so even with the COVID, so I don't really want Jacqueline drinking from the water fountain at school. I'm going to put the water bottle in first. I always do heaviest first. And then chocolate milk. I'm going to place in the cereal. Anything breakable and tiny on top are things that will get smushed. And Isabel will pack their own lunch bag because they didn't leave it out for me. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out two $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subbies, one for people who comment. If you comment all the time, you must be a U.S. resident and already subscribed. If you won in the past 60 days, you're not qualified. If you're new, say hi down below. I see a bunch of people saying hi to me, so welcome aboard to my channel. You must be a United States resident to win any of the giveaways here at Let Us Eat. We're also looking for 17 subscribers to give away a 5 items price pack from the Dollar Tree valued at $6.25. One lucky winner will receive one. Get an email from me with a photo of the items, and you choose the items yourself of what you would like for me to send you. It is that easy. Please spread the word about me. Tell your friends and families and co-workers, colleagues, and have them subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. For Isabel's lunch bag, it is just about time for them to get up, so they gave me the lunch bag. Always the heavy drinks to the side, and the sandwiches, and the snacks. Anything loose and breakable at the top. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and checking out my daily kids lunch videos. I know a lot of you really enjoy and appreciate this when you're in a scramble in the morning and you don't know what to throw into their lunch bag. It doesn't always have to be a sandwich. The past couple of days they've been the Uncrustables, which is a really nice treat. My kids enjoy them a lot. But as I said, with that price raise, they better lower them, Smuckers, if they expect my family to continue to buy them. Otherwise, I'll just make them myself and cut the cost off. Don't forget about our giveaways. Don't forget to share me to social media. Spread the word to your friends, families, co-workers, and colleagues about me. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe word, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching.